To buy Bitcoin using Revolut, follow these steps. First, download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number, and follow the prompts to verify your account. After verifying your account, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app. This can usually be found on the dashboard or under the Investments tab. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and click on it to view its current price and other relevant information. Next, click on the Buy button to initiate the purchase process. You will be asked to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, either in terms of the cryptocurrency itself or your local fiat currency. Enter the desired amount and review the transaction details, including the current exchange rate and any applicable fees. Before completing the purchase, make sure you have sufficient funds in your Revolut account to cover the cost of the Bitcoin. You can add funds to your account using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other supported payment methods. Once you have sufficient funds, confirm the transaction and the Bitcoin will be added to your Revolut account. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin is subject to market volatility, and the value of your investment can fluctuate rapidly. As such, it is crucial to do your own research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying and selling Bitcoin on Revolut, as these can eat into your profits. To get the most out of your Bitcoin investment, consider setting up a price alert to notify you when the value of Bitcoin reaches a certain threshold. You can also use the Revolut app to track the performance of your investment and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks and fees involved, you can use Revolut to buy Bitcoin and take the first step into the world of cryptocurrency investment.